Oh, you gotta give it to Apple, putting out a 3500 buck headset, virtual reality headset, does actually make the 550 for the Meta Quest 3 coming in here look quite reasonable and a sane purchase decision. Yeah, so I've kind of like this is my first dabble into virtual reality in quite a while, and I think we are maybe at a technological point where it kind of makes sense or is kind of interesting to get into, and I think the whole Apple thing will probably advance the whole thing a little bit either way. And also we have to take a look if Zuckerberg is actually burning all that money for something reasonably good. Yeah, let's take a look in the box and see what it can do. One of the main reasons I decided to go with the Meta Quest was mainly that most people who are using it with glasses are quite happy with that experience. So that has always been a big problem with like on expositions and stuff when I have looked into 3D glasses. Has always been a big issue that you really have troubles. That's holding. So those two straps are holding the outer box to the inner one. Split in the right direction. Yeah, using them with glasses has been difficult, but yeah, on the other side, those usually haven't been quite adjusted to my eyes. I haven't been too happy with the things I've tried out so far, but my kids absolutely are very much interested and stunned. That package looks quite nice. Is that like no magnet or something holding it? No carry case as far as I can say. Here are the controllers. So should be a battery in here. Yeah. So there are the batteries, and we can just activate it by pulling out the zip ties. So they're a little smallish in my hands, but yeah, as I mentioned, my kids are actually probably looking more forward to this than I am, in a way. Oh, who needed the Meta button there? But yeah, have to see how they feel. I think I'm planning to do this in several small videos instead of one big one, or maybe a big one at the end. Here's the device itself in all its glory. So, from the videos I've watched, I already saw that like here you can actually adjust the distance. Oh, yeah. So that your glasses fit in. You have the protective films here on the lenses. But there. Yeah, it feels good. Yeah, I have the hints for the glasses. A little bit. Is it already maximum distance? So just give it down. Not quite there yet. Yeah, so we got it out. Yeah, does feel good. Is there something else in the package? Charging block, Type-C cable, some brick of a manual, and probably warranty information. And that's all, folks. Let's see what we have here. We have a headphone jack, charger. This is to adjust the eye distance. Yeah, gotta charge it up, try it on, see what it does, but that will be another video. thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, hope to see you soon, and especially I'm waiting for the kid feedback, what they are saying. They're really stoked about the whole thing.